Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to bake chocolate crinkles. They have a great chocolate taste and before baking them we will roll them into powdered sugar, which will result in a nice looking cookie. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, vegetable oil, vanilla flavor, white and brown sugar, cacao powder, 2 eggs, salt and baking powder, and powdered sugar to decorate the cookies. Put your cacao, white and brown sugar and oil into a bowl and mix well. I like to use a spatula to mix everything and keep mixing until there is no more cacao and sugar visible. Now you can add your eggs and vanilla flavor. Now switch to a whisk and mix again. Keep mixing until your batter looks smooth and make sure to scrape the sides. Let's add the flour, baking powder and salt to the batter. It's important to use a sieve for this. Now switch to your spatula again and keep mixing until there is no more flour visible. Cover your batter and let it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Or freeze it for 1 hour, that works fine as well. Your batter should be firm enough to scoop the cookies. I'm using my ice cream scoop for this. Dip your cookies in powdered sugar before placing them onto a baking tray. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.